In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sync Square appointments with Google Calendar. This process is invaluable for anyone who relies on Square for appointment scheduling and prefers the convenience of accessing all their meetings in one place on Google Calendar. By following these steps, you'll ensure you never miss an appointment and keep your schedule organized effortlessly. First, let's head over to your Square dashboard. This is your main hub for all things related to your Square account. To access this, simply log in with your credentials. If you're unfamiliar with the interface, the dashboard is designed to provide a clear overview of your business activities, and for our purpose, it also serves as the starting point for setting up your sync with Google Calendar. Once you're logged into your dashboard, direct your attention to the left side panel. Here, you'll see various options available, and the one we're interested in is Appointments. By clicking on this, you can view all of your scheduled appointments. This panel is essential as it houses the tools we need to proceed with linking your calendars. We're now ready to make some adjustments to your settings. Look for the Settings option within the Appointments section. The Settings area allows you to customize how your Square account functions, ensuring it best fits the needs of your business. Next, select Calendar and Booking from the drop-down menu. Take a moment to scroll through this section until you find the Manage Calendar Sync area. This is where the magic happens, the place where we'll actually link your Square and Google Calendar. This feature essentially bridges the gap between your appointment management in Square and your daily digital calendar on Google. Click on Link Google Calendar. At this point, you may be prompted to log into your Google account if you're not already. When linking, make sure to choose the correct Google account, especially if you manage multiple accounts. Confirm any permissions requested. These are necessary for the sync to work seamlessly. Finally, don't forget to save your settings. It's a critical step to ensure all the changes you've made are properly applied. You should see a confirmation indicating that the sync is active, meaning your appointments will now appear in your Google Calendar. If you face any issues during this process, revisiting these steps may help, ensuring you didn't miss any crucial details. That's it. With your calendars synced, managing appointments should be significantly easier, giving you more time to focus on what truly matters, growing your business. Thanks for joining me today as we optimize your scheduling workflow. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to check out our other videos for more tips on maximizing your business tools. Keep your schedule in sync, and I'll see you in the next video.